Trump administration is clearing the way to import lower-cost prescription drugs from Canada, but it will still be a long road before any American feels relief.
We think there's a real opportunity here where they can manage bringing drugs into the United States from Canada in a way that does preserve the safety of the American system.
Health and Human Services Secretary Alex Azar announced states, wholesalers, and pharmacies can now submit plans on how they would import certain drugs from Canada that are versions of FDA-approved drugs.
For decades, the response here at FDA and HHS has been, it can't be done. It can't be done. Don't send us your plans. Now we're saying, we think it can be done.
Skyrocketing drug prices are a big concern on Capitol Hill.
The drug costs more than my car payment, more than my business insurance, more than my food bill each month.
And on the campaign trail.
How can that be that in the United States of America that I am paying so much for insulin?
But a cancer patient, David Mitchell, is the founder of Patients for Affordable Drugs.
This is a step toward using importation to provide relief for some people who are struggling with their drug prices, but it is not a solution that will help all of us because it's very limited in its scope.
The head of the Pharmaceutical Research and Manufacturers of America issued a statement calling the administration's importation scheme far too dangerous for American patients, adding there's no way to guarantee the safety of the drugs that come in from outside the U.S. Now, the plan still has to go through the regulatory process and could face court challenges from drug makers. Certain classes of drugs, by the way, including IV drugs, are excluded from this program. Paula?
Well, Leah, many of the Democrats in the presidential race support some form of importing drugs. But here's a look at some of the other ideas they've proposed. Former Vice President Joe Biden wants to put a cap on prices if a drug is only made by one company. Former Congressman John Delaney wants to hit drug makers with an excise tax if they're charging more for the drug in the U.S. than they do in other countries. Senator Kirsten Gillibrand wants to create a pharmaceutical czar who would oversee audits of the drug industry. And Senator Amy Klobuchar wants to ban a practice called pay for delay, in which drug makers pay generic manufacturers to keep their competing drug off the market. And for a look at where all the candidates stand on this issue, go to the politics page of our website, cbsboston.com.